Hey guys, in this video I will show you how to install TTF fonts on Samsung phones without root. Let's begin. To do this, we will use an app called ZFont 3. First, open the Play Store, search for ZFont 3 and install it on your device. Once installed, open the app and allow the required permissions. When you open the app, you will see a collection of fonts that are already available inside the app. You can choose any font from there and download it directly. But in this video, we are going to install our own custom TTF font file. So first, download a TTF font from the internet. There are many websites where you can download free fonts. Once you download the font file in TTF format, open the ZFont 3 app again. Inside the app, go to the Download section, then tap on the plus icon. After that, select Add File and choose the TTF font file that you downloaded. This will add the font to your font style list. Now tap on the added font, and you will see the option to apply it. Next, tap on the checkmark icon, and the app will ask you to select your Android OS version. If you're not sure about your Android version, you can simply select the Auto option, which works for most devices. In my case, I'm using One UI, but Auto usually works fine for Samsung phones. On the next screen, you don't need to change anything. Just tap on Create, and the app will prepare a font APK file for installation. Now tap on Install Package to install the font. At this point, the app may ask you to install another app called Z File Manager. Simply tap Install, download it from the Play Store, and then open it. Allow storage permissions, then use it to install the font APK file. If you see a Google Play Protect warning, just tap Scan or continue with the installation and finish installing the font. Once the installation is complete, tap on Change Font Style and the new font will be applied to your device. If you don't see the font applied immediately, check the font style list inside the Download section. If it still doesn't appear, simply restart your phone and the font should apply system-wide. After that, the custom font will be active across your Samsung device, including most apps and system menus. You can also switch between installed fonts anytime from your device settings under Font Style. And that's it. That's how you can install TTF fonts on Samsung without root. Thanks for watching.